Welcome to the 2024 PRI Show. We're going to try to find some pretty cool tools and some machinery, and who knows, we will find a couple sweet rides as well. So follow along and let's see what we see.
Oh, here we go.
We've been looking at this plasma torch for some time now. It's the first one of these I've actually seen in person. Good looking machine, especially for that price.
Yeah, you can add water into this. We also suggest other sort of anti-rust biology.
He was cutting caffeine, and he was cutting 7 days a week. So
This is actually she we've been looking at too.
He's had a last for 12 months with the same job.
Nice little CNC for your garage there.
Pretty
nice to sit up there too. A little vendor for the garage. How you doing?
How's it going?
Good.
Yeah, you're free.
Just enjoying that piece of equipment there.
We have Springback and K-Factor all built in. So all guys comes with the program.
Automatic stop on the back.
So high energy.
We always hear about blueprint engines. That'd be a nice setup. Magnuson supercharger. LS format. This looks like LS format. Goodies, and more goodies. Hemi head.
No, for the show.
That's something I want right there. Blanching hammers, English wheels.
That's nice work. Set up a CNC
I agree with you.
That's a nice setup right there. Some pack. Triple die on both sides. That's pretty neat. Definitely like this end mill notcher out here as well. That is a nice setup.
Yes. I got a 50 on this one.
Some more 5-axis port jobs. Centroid here. Almost didn't work like that. It's a nice setup right there. Interesting welds. Stronghand. We've had quite a bit of Stronghand stuff on our Jeepingmo channel.
I asked, what's an
Nice
example?
little setup for bending. Undexes it. Do all your contour bending and everything. That's manual, but it's pretty cool setup. That way you just have to keep track of where you're at and what your length is. It's a pretty good idea. Old indexing head. Dana 44 high pinion setup. There's a nice setup. That's a nice box there. That would be a sweet setup. Where are we at here? Store lock. It feels nice. All sortable.
I have one. I have two moving car toolboxes.
Well, I'm not going to argue that, but I think a lot of that was also that.
So we've played with some of the titanium. Make nice stuff.
Needs a bit of a
Yeah, good seeing you, man. Good seeing you. Have a good one.
Man, the outlet
Some
feeds
nice
the inlet,
work.
so it's compounded, but if you feed both of them,
There's a lot of measures there.
it's not
Set up here. Looked at the Tecton tools quite a bit. Nice stuff there as well. It's a Tecton box here. Oh, that's nice. Pull out lock. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Trying to do this out.
It still works fine.
That's a nice setup there. That's a nice box. So what we got over here?
Quarter inch in this body is 25. Should give you a good perspective of our price.
Those feet.
But you're not giving up anything. I mean, they're every bit of quality that you're going to buy somewhere else.
We had all the fabrication equipment. Love to have that. Love to have that roller there. All kinds of pretty cool equipment.
see some of this Rattler Electric and Lincoln stuff up here.
Oh yeah. Yep, I'm 69. Yep.
That's a nice setup.
One guy that bought one, not real far from me.
Let's see what's running. There's a 5-axis tracing here, or cutting, you should say. Nice port job, that's nice. 5-axis using a trunnion setup. Once upon a time, I used to be a CNC programmer. Let's see, we've done some work with the Trek Tools crew. Nice. Checking the heads there in that setup.
Machine will be. So when this comes to do the deck.
Nice home setup. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Balancing setup. Here we go.
So we have what's called the Square 200. That's it.
Low budget helmet.
See what we got here with a big screen.
So this is like, this is our,
I know them all. Yeah. Well, I have to. I end up rebuilding because I bought everything 300.
Oh,
You're not regularly.
walk right past. Looks like Milliken there. Pretty nice setup here. If you got an old ride that you're just trying to keep everything, all the environment off of. Put this in your building and put the car in it. Seal it up.
All right, there was a 2024 PRI show. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching.